Stop doing 100 push-ups a day. I'm serious. If your chest still looks flat after months of grinding, you're making the same mistake 90% of people make when training at home. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your chest isn't growing and how to fix it with just 4 specific exercises. Look, I get it. You've tried everything. You've followed those do 500 push-ups challenge videos. You've slapped your chest hoping to manifest gains into existence. Maybe you even tried those weird wall push-ups your uncle recommended. But here's the brutal truth. If you're still here watching this video, none of that worked. Your chest is still flat, and you're probably wondering if building muscle at home is even possible. Well, I'm about to show you why 99% of home chest workouts fail, and the 4 exercises that actually work. Here's the harsh reality. If regular push-ups aren't working for you, the exercise isn't the problem. You are. And I can prove it. Most people rush through push-ups like they're late for work. But if you want them to actually build muscle, you need to treat them like a strength movement, not cardio. 4 critical elements most people ignore. First, slow, controlled tempo. 3 seconds down, pause, explode up. Second, full range of motion. Your chest must touch the ground. Third, elbows at 45 degrees, not flared out like chicken wings. Fourth, your entire body is one tight unit from head to toe. Do this right, and 10 perfect push-ups will smoke you harder than 50 sloppy ones. But what if you can already do 20 clean push-ups? Perfect. Now try doing them with a 4-second negative. Watch your rep count get cut in half while your results double. Push-ups are only basic when you do them without intention. Master this foundation, and every other exercise becomes more effective. Level 2. The exercise that builds that center chest line. If your chest looks flat from the front, if there's no definition down the middle, this is your fix. Diamond push-ups. But before you jump in, let me save you from the mistake that makes this exercise unnecessarily brutal. Most people place their hands under their face. Wrong. They flare their elbows out. Wrong. They lower their head instead of their chest. Triple wrong. Here's the right way. Hands under your sternum. Elbows tucked tight. Chest comes down between your hands. And don't be surprised if you can only do 5 to 6 reps at first. That shake you feel? That's your inner chest finally getting worked. That's growth happening in real time. Actually, let me show you something crazy. Connor from my last video, down 75 pounds by the way, couldn't do a single diamond push-up when we started. Now he's cranking out sets of 12. The difference in his chest development is insane. This exercise doesn't just build muscle. It builds the kind of chest that stops conversations. Level 3. This is where we separate the committed from the casual. Pseudo-planche push-ups. Sounds fancy, but it's actually simple. We're taking a regular push-up and shifting your hands toward your waist. That's it. But that small change, it transforms everything. The moment you lean forward, your upper body has to work twice as hard. Your chest stretches deeper. Your front delts light up. Your core works overtime. It's like turning your body weight into a weighted barbell. Here's how to progress. Start with your hands just slightly ahead of your shoulders. Master that. Then gradually move them closer to your waist. The further forward, the harder it gets. If you can only do 3 to 4 reps, perfect. This isn't about volume. This is about making every rep count. Quality over quantity. And here's something cool. This exercise is actually preparing you for advanced moves like handstand push-ups and full planche. You're not just building a bigger chest, you're building real functional strength. Level 4, the final boss. Archer push-ups. This is as close as you can get to one-arm push-ups while still maintaining perfect form and control. And it's going to humble you. Start wide, shift your weight to one side. One arm does almost all the work while the other stays straight and tense. At the bottom, your chest should be right over your working hand. What makes this so effective? Unilateral training. You're forcing one side of your chest to handle nearly your entire body weight. That's serious overload without any equipment. But here's what separates success from failure with archer push-ups. Control. Don't just fall side to side. Don't let your hips twist. Don't rush. Master this movement, and you'll have built the kind of pressing strength that most people need a gym to develop. Plus, your chest will have the kind of thickness and symmetry that turns heads. Now, I promised you the technique that doubles the effectiveness of every exercise. Here it is. Time under tension clusters. Instead of doing straight sets, try this. Do 3 perfect reps, rest 10 seconds. 3 more reps, rest 10 seconds. Repeat until you can't maintain perfect form. This keeps your muscles under tension longer while still allowing for perfect form. The result? More growth from fewer total reps. I've tested this with dozens of clients. The ones who use this technique see results 50% faster than those who don't. Look, you now know more about building chest muscle at home than 95% of people ever will. But knowledge without action is worthless. Here's your homework. Pick one exercise from today. Master it over the next week. Film yourself doing it. I guarantee you'll spot mistakes you didn't know you were making. If this helped you, smash that like button. It actually helps more people find content that works. Subscribe if you want more videos that cut through the fitness BS and give you real results. And drop a comment telling me which level you're starting with. I read every single one. Your bigger chest is waiting. Now go earn it.